If you're looking for ways to grow your hair much faster or more healthier, then this video is for you. Hair growth is not always about the length or thickness of your hair, but how healthy your hair is. When I had to start my hair growth journey, my hair was thinning out, it was really weak, and it wasn't healthy at all. But after discovering natural ingredients and using them the right way, now my hair is much healthier, it's flourishing, and I just love how it looks. And today I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment that will not only grow your hair, but will also make your hair strands really healthy, easy to manage, and also going to prevent hair breakages. Without further ado, let's do this. If you're not looking to grow your hair much faster, then you should skip this video because this recipe is so powerful that you're going to receive amazing results after being consistent with it. And the one good thing about it is it's only one ingredient. It is very easy to prepare and it's super effective. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are watching me right now and you always come back to watch my videos, you don't know how much that means to me. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs up and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, there were so many videos that you could have watched, but you clicked on this very one. Thank you so much. And I promise you, you're going to enjoy today's video. The main ingredient I'm going to use in today's recipe is amla powder. Let me hear from you in the comment section if you have used amla in any way in your hair growth journey. Amla has so many great benefits that will amaze you. It is going to help you boost your hair growth and make your hair strands really healthy. Amla is really popular in India. They use it a lot when it comes to their hair growth regimen. And you all can testify how beautiful and healthy their hair looks. So when you incorporate amla into your hair care regimen, there are so many benefits that you're going to rip out. But before telling you all about amla benefits, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So make sure you show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I will make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your loved ones as well as on your social media platforms. So I added coconut oil to my amla powder. Coconut oil will help treat your scalp from dandruff and also prevent hair breakages. I also added my pure grapeseed oil. Grapeseed contains so many vitamins and minerals that will strengthen your hair strands and prevent them from breaking. It is also going to nourish your scalp to prevent scalp issues like dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and any other scalp issues that might be hindering your hair from growing. But guys, you do not have to use these same oils. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. It could be olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil. There are so many plant-based oil out in the market that you can incorporate into this recipe. Just use an oil that works best for your hair because the main ingredient in today's recipe is the amla powder. And regardless of the oil that you add to it, you're still going to get all the benefits out of it. You just have to know the right way to use this recipe in order to get the benefits out of it. And I'm going to tell you all about it. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video and you're watching to the end. So after adding your oils, make sure to stir everything together. You want them to be mixed in really well. But we still have to use the double boiler method to infuse the oil with the amla powder. We're going to infuse it for about 20 to 30 minutes or till the oil is warm to touch. Let me tell you some benefits of amla powder. Amla is really great when it comes to hair growth. It is going to treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. And you all know new hair grows from the scalp. So if you have dandruffs or other scalp issues, it is going to prevent new hair from growing. And that is what amla oil is going to do. It's going to cleanse your scalp and make your scalp really healthy. Healthy scalp means healthy new hair growth. Guess what? Amla can also prevent your hair strands from breaking. When you apply amla to your hair, it is going to strengthen your hair follicles and make them really stronger to prevent them from breaking. Amla oil, when added to hair care regimen, can also help prevent premature growing of the hair. So if you're someone who has a lot of gray in your hair, being consistent with amla is going to help darken your hair to prevent it from being gray. So after infusing your amla oil like so, you're going to set it off the fire, put it aside. You can leave it for a couple of hours or even for the next day. I left it for a couple of hours and it was all cooled down and was ready to be strained. When it's time to strain it, you can use cheesecloth, paper towel, anything with tiny holes. Just looking at it, you can see how rich this oil is. And you can see that the powder has already settled at the bottom of the oil. So this time I used the paper towel to strain my oil, and I just love how pure, thick, and organic this oil is even looking, just looking at it. This oil can prevent hair loss, hair shedding, hair thinning, and it can boost your hair growth like never before. The only thing is you just have to know the right way to use it. Otherwise, you're not going to get all these benefits that I'm talking about. And guess what? I'm going to teach you the right way to use it. Just make sure you're not skipping any part of it so you do not miss this important information. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point, it means you're really enjoying it, because I really enjoyed filming it. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. On this channel, I do a lot of DIYs using natural ingredients. Ingredients you can even find in your own kitchen. They are chemical free, they're going to boost your hair growth and help you grow healthy hair. I also love to read your comments, so make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video. Sharing is caring. So make sure to share this video with your loved ones and also on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you will be helping to solve their hair issues. So at this point, my oil is ready. I'm just going to transfer it into a bottle to make the use much easier. Amla oil can be used in so many ways. It can be used as a leave-in. You don't have to rinse it out of your hair. You can use this to massage your scalp and also use it to seal in moisture in your hair. Another way that you can use amla oil is to use it as a pre-poo. Before washing your hair, you can use this as a hot oil treatment or a pre-poo, and it's going to make your hair so soft and easy to manage. It easily penetrates into your hair strands as well as on your scalp to give way to new healthy hair growth and also protect the hair that you have already grown on your hair. You just have to be consistent with this recipe. Do not joke with it. Do not sleep on it. Get on it, be consistent with it, and you're going to get all the results that you need. Click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster. Bye!